A disciplinary hearing starting this morning against St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner could result in her losing her law license.
The Power of Two's Chris Renier live in Clayton with what the hearing is all about. Good morning to you, Chris.
Blair, good morning to you. Margie, good morning to you as well. The hearing focuses on whether Gardner committed misconduct in her prosecution of former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens. The hearing taking place here at the St. Louis County Courthouse just across the street from us. It is set to start at 9 o'clock. This morning. The evidence is going to be heard by a 3-judge panel. Gardner is accused in an ethics complaint of misrepresenting or concealing facts in the Greitens case from the court and from Greitens' defense team. Missouri's chief disciplinary counsel says Gardner concealed evidence from Greitens' attorneys that could have helped the former Missouri governor. Greitens was charged by Gardner with felony invasion of privacy for allegedly taking a compromising photo of a woman that he was having an affair with, then threatening to use it as blackmail against her if she spoke of the affair. That case and a second separate charge that Gardner also filed against Greitens having to do with a veterans charity that he founded were both dropped. Greitens resigned as governor in 2018. Gardner insists she did nothing wrong. This hearing comes after the investigator that Gardner hired in the case against Greitens, William Tisby, pleaded guilty to misdemeanor evidence tampering last month. Tisby was set to go to trial on perjury and evidence tampering charges in the Greitens case. He agreed to the plea deal just one day before jury selection was set to start in the case against him. Tisby received probation for his guilty plea, but the sentence was suspended. Gardner does not face a criminal case like Tisby, but if the charge against her is sustained, she could face a wide range of penalties, including potentially losing her law license. This panel will deliberate, then write a decision. That will be passed on to the Missouri Supreme Court, which will have the final say. For now, live in Clayton, I'm Chris Renier.